Tom Clendon, and I'm a lecturer here at FTMS based in Singapore. This short video is about 5 steps to help you with examination technique in the context of your P2 examination paper. Exam techniques tip number 1, workings. Show your workings. Show your workings neatly. Believe it or not, the vast majority of students get the answer wrong, but they can still earn marks if they have shown their workings properly. So, for example, if you make a small mistake in the calculation of a fair value adjustment, then maybe your net assets at the date of acquisition is not correct. Now that would mean your goodwill is not correct. And then if your goodwill is not correct, the impairment loss is not correct. And if the impairment loss is not correct, then your retained earnings is definitely going to be wrong. But you've only made one small mistake. Your marker has the own figure rule in their head. If they can follow your workings, if they can see that you've used the right method, the right principle, you will be given marks. I cannot emphasize too much, showing your workings is important. Exam technique tip number 2, totaling. Don't bother. Do not bother to add down your retained earnings. Do not bother to add down the total of your balance sheet. Do not bother to add down the total of your cash flow, your profit and loss account, because there are no marks in the marking guide. And in any event, it'll be the wrong total anyway, and will freak you out. Don't waste time. Totally. Step 3, presentation. Tip 3, presentation. You know and I know that there is quite a lot of writing involved in a P2 exam. Your handwriting has to be legible. Start each question on a fresh sheet of paper. In fact, start each part of each question on a fresh sheet of paper. And when you're writing, think of the marking guide. 1 mark per relevant point. So if you've given a definition, good place to start with those written questions. Full stop, leave a space, new paragraph. If you're about to make a conclusion, full stop, leave a space, new paragraph. If you're about to argue a point, full stop, leave a space, new paragraph. Think of the marker. Lay out your answer neatly. Number 4. Believe it or not all students answer every part of the exam. Please, in the exam, answer all parts of the exam. In examiners' reports, which I would encourage you to read, on more than one occasion, the examiner has emphasized the fact that a substantial minority of students are not answering the ethics part of the paper. Why is that? You know ethics is going to come up. Time management, knowledge, don't know. You've got to, however, not have excuses. You've got to be able to attempt the ethics part of the question and all parts of the paper, guessing if necessary. You don't lose marks if you're wrong. How are you going to earn professional marks unless you have attempted all parts of the paper? Exam tip number 5. Do a mock exam. Make sure that you go into your P2 examination having previously done a mock exam. A mock exam written and targeted for the exam sitting that you are doing, so will effectively reflect the current thinking of the examiner, the current tips. This is something that we offer at FTMS. This is something that you get on all FTMS revision courses. Now, if you're unable to come on to an FTMS revision course with me to study P2, I can still provide you with that mock exam, with that marking service, with that feedback process. So contact me please directly on my Facebook, which is at Tom Clendon Lecturer on Facebook, and I will be able to, I hope, assist you in your P2 studies. Exam technique does make a big difference, yeah? Exam technique does make a big difference. I'm going to wish you luck. Luck shouldn't make a difference. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. But good luck in your studies. Thank you very much.